What's going on, team? Is your boy Pip Marv, aka Marv Moolah. Today I'm gonna make a quick little video showing you guys what a stock fake out is and as to why we should try to avoid these fake outs and not feed in to that FOMO, the fear of missing out, right? I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys an example with a specific stock I was looking at today. This is a future I tend to look at. It's a commodity, so I focus on oil, gold, etc. And today /CL, which is crude oil, we were looking at, and it was showing a lot of inconsistencies, right? And we seen this big fake out in which if you're a beginner trader, you're going to fall for these fake outs most likely, and you're gonna have to learn from those mistakes the hard way. But I'm gonna make a quick little video showing you guys what a fake out can look like and what we should try to avoid, right? So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what it is I'm looking at. Ticker symbol /CL, which is crude oil, and its inverse, which is DWT, meaning if crude oil pushes up, DWT then pushes down. If crude oil pushes down, DWT then pushes up. I was scalping DWT for a potential entry point. I've been through fake outs plenty of times, right? As a trader, I wait for confirmation, meaning I wait for a pullback, a respect of this EMA line, for then an entry point for a continuation, right? So as I was watching this, I got actually a little bit of FOMO, which is fear of missing out. And the reason to that is because this thing had an aggressive sell-off. It just pushed down nearly 0.2% almost, which made DWT, as you guys can see here, push up a 1.38%, right? So at this point, I was having a lot of FOMO. I actually was going to enter a position as this little pullback. I knew there was going to be a pullback, some sort of pullback. I was going to enter this position right around the first red bar I seen. But then CL did something unexpectedly. It broke right above this EMA line again and reached this top VWAP, and it just continued rising. I mean, I was so glad that I did not enter this position, right? Because that would have been a, let's see, 0.5% times 3. I would have been a 1.5% loss for me. Just wanted to make a quick little video showing you guys what fake outs can look like. As you see, the market came and completely changed directions, and then completely changed directions again for that continuation, right? So as expected, this thing did continue to make lower lows and did go as planned. As you can see now, DWT is now creating these sort of higher highs and higher lows. It's kind of uptrending now as this thing begins to fall, right? But if I would have entered right at this break below, I would have fed into that fear of missing out, right? I would have lost a potential 1.5% on my account because I failed to be patient, because I failed to wait for confirmation. So remember to be patient, remember to wait for confirmation, and don't let these fake outs fool you. If you're looking at the other inverse, so if you're looking at UWT, which is the opposite of DWT, meaning that when CL pushes up, UWT follows, pushes up, and when CL pushes down, UWT follows and pushes down as well. So if you guys were focusing on UWT during this fake out, then right as this pushed up tremendously, UWT pushed up tremendously, almost a 1.5%, as you guys can see, because on CL it triples the amount that it pushes up or down. So here we've seen a 0.46%, which triple of that will be nearly almost 1.5%, and you guys can see that here is actually 1.51% exactly on the dot. So if you're looking at scalping for UWT per se, this is a fear of missing out, right? Stock tends to do this, the market tends to do this a lot, and they're called fake outs. So just be careful with these. As you've seen this pushed up, you would have got FOMO, you would have got a fear of missing out here on UWT. You could have got in, right? Let's say you got in right around the middle of this green candle as it was pushing up, right? You were able to secure that 0.9%. You expected this thing to continue to rally, and then this thing turns right back around, and now your account is under 1%. So just wanted to make a quick, short little video explaining what fake outs can look like, what the market can do on a regular basis, and what we must, as traders, we must be careful and watch out for. Please be patient with your trades. Please wait for confirmation. Please stay away from that FOMO, that fear of missing out. It's going to help you guys a lot when it comes to your day trades, when it comes to your swing trades. Just have an overall plan and plan to execute it, right? Actually execute your plan. Don't fall for these fake outs. The market's going to tend to do that a lot. So again, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy trading. Thanks for watching. Remember to share, remember to like, comment down below, subscribe, ask any questions. If you guys have any questions, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than willing to answer any questions you guys have. Have a blessed day. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.